There's a huge controversy raging over the UP government's ban on VHP's proposed yatra. The timing of the ban has raised serious questions, with many accusing the SP of resorting to temple politics to engineer communal tension. The controversy turned uglier when Bajrang Dal activists accosted SP leader Azam Khan's convoy in Haridwar late last night.
A ban on the VHP's proposed 20-day UP Yatra, days after a meeting between VHP leaders led by Ashok Singhal and SP top guns Mulayam Singh and Akhilesh Yadav, raising several questions and speculations of an understanding between the BJP and Samajwadi Party.
We all know that this is a grander and an extremely well laid out orchestrated strategy of the RSS. The VHP talks one language. 1 minute the Bajrang Dal talks another language, the BJP talks another language. We do recognize that this is an attempt at polarizing politics, not just in Uttar Pradesh but across India.
The annual Yatra, according to tradition, has already been completed for the year, and the VHP's proposed Yatra, spanning 5 districts and covering 300 kilometers in the state of Uttar Pradesh, especially in pre-election year, adds further credence to the political nature of the Yatra. But the UP government still attributes its decision to the political tensions after a similar Yatra in 1992.
बीजेपी के आरोप का तो कोई जवाब हमें नहीं देना चाहिए, जिनकी दुकान में सिर्फ कत्ल खून गारतगरी के अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं। बीजेपी तो बीजेपी है, अब हम बीजेपी से थोड़ी अपने रास्ते तय करेंगे।
In India's largest state, where minorities comprise of a substantial number, the UP government's move is seen clearly as an appeasement tactic with an eye on the upcoming elections.
Mulayam Singh Yadav is one of the shrewdest politicians in our country which we have right now. He understands when the ground is shifting, when the ground he is losing. So right now Mulayam Singh knows very well that amongst the Muslims he has lost a lot of ground, not a lot of ground after 100 communal riots.
The VHP on its part showing indignation over the UP government's ban.
एक बार किसी धर्माचार्य से पूछिए, एक बार धर्मशास्त्रों को पढ़िए और पता करिए कि यात्रा की क्या परंपरा है। क्या वृंदावन में पूरे साल भर यात्रा नहीं चलती? क्या कामतगिरी की यात्रा पूरे वर्ष भर नहीं चलती?
Meanwhile, the BJP is still trying to distance itself from the controversy.
You see, what it's VHP's program, and all the sadhu sants have their right to do what they wish to. But if the state government is going to ban it, then that is giving political fodder to the whole thing.
But who is running the show, and why hasn't the BJP top brass reacted yet? Bureau Report, Times Now.